Yeah, so we'll do a quick meditation, a guided one. Theta. This is a theta meditation guided, which I will be guiding you all to the seventh plane consciousness. We'll do this to clear any negative energies from our aura. And actually, the message that was coming to me was to send unconditional love to us when we were babies in our mother's womb, because I feel, womb healing is so much required. So many things we actually bring directly from the womb, um, be it the feeling of worthiness, or feeling accepted or rejected. So, or if there was any kind of trauma that our family was going through and we absorbed that, so that this healing, what we'll do is we will send unconditional love to us when we were babies in our mother's womb, clearing any kind of negative energies from the womb as well. And I will also be downloading certain positive feelings from Creator, from the divine, around prosperity and abundance, and whatever messages then Creator gives. I'll be
Fan-
downloading that initially.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Tushar, your question, hold it for till after demonstration. Ask me this question again. Sorry, not ask me. Put your question down. We'll bring it up after. Okay. Obviously, Shweta, no driving,
No driving.
closing
Yeah.
your eyes, right?
Yeah.
Safe for pregnant women.
Yeah. Definitely. Yes.
Right, right.
It's very
And
safe.
if there are babies and children around, no
Yeah.
problem.
I mean, you should just see that no one disturbs you in between,
Disturbed.
because otherwise you won't go in a theta state, deep theta state. Yeah,
Right.
important.
Okay.
And keep a glass of water. Yeah, I also wanted to mention that a
Right.
glass of water. Yeah.
Okay. And of course, Shweta, just let us know when
Yeah.
you want us to play the music. Begin it now.
Yes, we can start. Yeah.
Okay.
If everyone are ready with the, glass of water, and they are ready, so we can start.
Right. And Sadhana, your question also after the demo. Okay. Make sure to bring it up again, please. All right.
Yeah.
Dhruv, yes. Thank you. Dhruv is sharing the music.
All right. So let us start. With a lot of gratitude and joy. I want you all to just sit comfortably wherever you are. It's up to you. You can sit on a chair, or you want to sit cross-legged. That's your choice. So just be comfortable. And you may close your eyes slowly and gently. Just focus your awareness on your breath. Observe your breath. How effortlessly your breath is going in and out, rising and falling. Every breath that you take allows your physical body to relax. Slowly start taking your awareness down into your legs, down into your feet with your eyes closed. I want you to now imagine or visualize and feel like a lot of energy is coming up from Mother Earth into your feet. And it's forming a beautiful ball of light. Now, this ball of light is very soothing and relaxing. So it starts relaxing your feet. And as the ball of light starts traveling up through your legs, it is bringing a wave of relaxation in your legs. Your knees are relaxing, your thighs are relaxing. Now imagine or visualize and feel the ball of light is at your root chakra, that is the base of your spine. And slowly it starts traveling up through your spine from one chakra to another chakra. Again, bringing in a wave of relaxation, your entire spine. Your entire torso is relaxing. And the ball of light is now at your throat chakra. Your neck is relaxing. Your shoulders are relaxing. Your arms are relaxing. Your hands and your fingers are relaxing. Now imagine or visualize and feel your ball of light moving up in your third eye chakra, the center of your eyebrows, relaxing your forehead. Your facial muscles are relaxing. Your jaw muscles are relaxing. And imagine or visualize and feel your ball of light now moving up on top of your head in your crown chakra, relaxing the scalp of your head. Take a deep breath in and release. Now, visualize or imagine yourself sitting inside this beautiful ball of light which is on top of your head. Feel the energy of this ball of light that you are inside and notice the color of the ball of light. We are now going to take a journey across the universe and beyond the different planes of existence, feeling completely safe and protected. You give yourself the permission to go up, 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 and up. And as you say up in your mind, your ball of light starts lifting up in the sky. You imagine or visualize and feel your ball of light going up and up in the sky, passing through the clouds, passing through the bright, shining stars in the sky. And you're going up and up. You're up out in the universe. You can see planets. Your ball of light is passing through many bright lights in the universe. And then your ball of light passes through a dark light. And again it enters many, many, many bright lights and colorful gases. And you keep going up and up. And your ball of light now enters, is surrounded by a big, bright, golden light like the sun. You're going through this golden light higher up. This is the fifth plane. You're going through this golden light up and up until your ball of light reaches a rainbow-colored jelly-like substance. And here, your ball of light starts dissipating, fading away. You imagine or visualize and feel yourself going through this rainbow-colored jelly-like substance. You see different colors here, different shapes and patterns. Now, these are the laws of the universe, the sixth plane. You're going through this jello. You come across a beautiful pink light. This is the law of compassion. This pink light completely fills your heart and envelops you. And from here, above you, you can see, visualize, or imagine a rectangular window or an opening through which you can see a lot of white light coming out. Now you imagine going towards this light with your head forward. You enter the window. First, your head enters, then your neck, your shoulders, your entire torso, your legs and your feet. And you realize that you are becoming one with this beautiful, iridescent, sparkling white light, divine light. Now, this is the seventh plane of existence. And this is the energy of unconditional love, plane of creator of all that is. You realize that there is no separation between you and the light. You have merged with the light. You feel the warmth of this whitish glow in your body from top to bottom. This is the plane of instant healings, instant manifestations. And as you become one with this divine light, divine energy, in your mind you say a small prayer. In your mind you can repeat the prayer after me. Creator of all that is, I am a part of you. I am never separate. I am never alone. I thank you for my life. I thank you for everything. And I'm ready now to release any non-serving patterns and programs of mine into your light. I'm ready for the shift with ease. Thank you. Now you're going to bring this beautiful divine light into your body and in your aura. So you ask Creator, you make a small prayer here, asking Creator of all that is, it is commanded or requested that unconditional love be sent to every cell of my body, and my aura be cleared from any negative or low vibration energies, psychic hooks, and they all be automatically sent to Creator's light to be dissolved. And you make a request now, Creator of all that is. It is requested or commanded that unconditional love be sent to me when I was a baby in my mother's womb, and to fill my mother's womb and me as a baby with your energy of unconditional love, joy, acceptance, and nurturing. And then you say in your mind, thank you. It is done, it is done, it is done. So it is, Creator, please show me. Now allow this divine light to heal you, to clear your aura by imagining or visualizing that this beautiful divine light is now filling your energy field around you, as if there is a column of white light, a shower of white light falling on you, cleansing you completely, your aura being cleansed, any psychic hooks or any low vibration negative energies are now being dissolved in the light. You feel it, you visualize it or imagine it, and you know it that it is happening now. In your mind's eye now, I want you to now imagine or visualize yourself as a small baby inside your mother's womb. And now allow this beautiful, divine, loving light to fill the womb and fill you as a baby, bringing in the energy of love, unconditional love, joy, acceptance, and nurturing. You feel it, you imagine it, you visualize it, and know it that it is happening now. And while all of this is happening, I am now going to download certain feelings, positive suggestions from Creator. In each one of you who are present here on the call, in your mind, you just have to say yes to receive them. I'm going to instill the following feelings, the downloads of prosperity and abundance, that I understand Creator's definition and perspective of abundance and prosperity. I know what it feels like, and I know how to, when to, and how to live my daily life feeling abundant. That I have Creator's abundance in every area of my life. I know what prosperity feels like. I have that prosperity consciousness. I feel it as I deserve it and I'm worthy of it, and it's my birthright. I am born abundant. I am born prosperous. It is safe for me, and I'm allowed to live abundantly and experience all the good things in life with ease. And as you say yes to these downloads, they are going to become a part of you, filling every cell of your body and filling you as a baby in your mother's womb. So from the womb, you carry these downloads in you. Allow these beautiful downloads becoming a part of you. Now, once again, I want you to visualize or imagine yourself in that pure divine light, the white light of unconditional love. And I want you to now take your glass of water in your hand and place the other hand on top of your glass of water. And once again, close your eyes. And in your mind, now you make a small prayer to the Creator, to the Divine, and say, Creator of all that is, please bless my water with your energy of unconditional love and bless it with abundance, joy, prosperity, harmony, ease, and balance in the highest and best way. Thank you. It is done, it is done, it is done. Keep, keep your hand there only and let this divine energy bless and charge your water. Bringing in that pure divine white light in the water. Every molecule of your water is now programmed with these downloads. You are also programmed with these downloads. And you can keep back your glass of water and just relax. Take a deep breath in, release, and visualizing or imagining the light rinsing you as if you were taking a shower under a white light, like a waterfall falling on you. And slowly start bringing yourself back in your body, in your space, by taking your awareness to your crown chakra, your head first, and then slowly take your awareness down through your torso into your legs, down into your feet, and now imagine or visualize and feel as if you connected to Mother Earth through these cords coming from beneath your feet, connecting you to the Mother Earth and grounding you nicely. You're grounded. We also say thanks to Mother Earth for all the love and nurturing. Now you again take your awareness to your feet, to your legs, your entire torso, and your head and face. And whenever you are ready, you may slowly and gently open your eyes. And do drink the water that's there in your glass. Not necessary you completely drink it. Take few sips.